Brenda. Welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, I want to send a shout out to Milena, Mana, and KK as well as Mishi for giving me the idea of decorating school supplies for this back to school season. So in this video, we'll be decorating 5 school supplies. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And now let's go on to the video. Alrighty guys, so for the first idea, you'll need some paper clips and some pom-poms. You will also need some hot glue or cold permanent glue. Take your pom-pom and add a little drop of hot glue to glue on your paper clip. You can either glue the pom-pom to one side of the paper clip or glue it to the top of the paper clip's loop. So my decorated paper clips looked super cute. I decided to mix and match the paper clips with the different colors of the pom-pom. But if you want, you can combine the same color of the paper clip with the same color of the pom-pom. For example, blue with blue and pink with pink. For the second idea, you'll also need some colorful and different size pom-poms. And with some hot glue, glue them onto your pencil case just like this. Honestly, this DIY is super easy and super fast. Plus, it's super fun to combine the different colors and the different sizes of the pom-poms. As well as it gives some texture to your pencil case and makes it look super cute and super different from the other pencil cases. Honestly, I love how this pencil case looks. The third DIY is also super fast and super easy. For this, you'll need a notebook already covered or wrapped in a colored paper. And add some cute stickers to the front cover. In my case, I used 2 cute hedgehogs and a small flower. Then with a gold metallic marker, I drew small leaves or small branches only on the bottom. Using that same marker, I added a cute phrase on the top. In this case, the phrase says, "Love is in the air." And I made the letters kind of like in a cursive way, and then I just added a little bit of a stroke to make them bolder. Honestly, I love how this notebook turned out. And just to make the notebook a little bit more pretty or attractive to look at, I drew some small hearts using a hot pink marker. I already used this 4th DIY in a previous video, and all we need is some washi tape and a whiteout pen. This DIY is also super fast and super easy, and for this, just cut a small piece of washi tape and tape it around your whiteout pen. Just like this, keep on taping all of your other washi tapes. Honestly, this whiteout looks super cute and super colorful. For the 5th DIY, you'll need some sticky notes and a glue stick. Take one sticky note and stick it onto your glue stick. Then use a pencil to draw a line around the sticky note. This is just to measure the white part of the glue stick. Remove the sticky note and cut the remaining part. Use this same sticky note to measure all of the other sticky notes that you'll be using. Then just stick all of the sticky notes to your glue stick and cut the remaining parts. This way, all of the colorful sticky notes will be super visible. Once your glue stick is completely covered with sticky notes, add a little bit of transparent tape to prevent the sticky notes from falling off. For the final touch, just add some washi tape as well as a sticker right on the center. But if you don't want to decorate a glue stick, you can also decorate a liquid glue bottle. Alright guys, and this was it for today's idea. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And see you on the following video. Bye guys!